Burgers.
Burgers. So we're going to do a lamb burger today, a veggie burger. We're going to do a turkey style, and then of course we'll do a beef burger.
Yeah, and what we've tried to do is just ideas that you wouldn't normally think of. Because we all know how to do ketchup, relish, mustard.
Yeah, this
but
is more
this is
fun.
new.
We're back with a new brand.
Love, love, love Tracklemints. Tracklemints
Tracklemints.
means
Yep.
condiment in the Old English days.
So old English word. They're all made in the UK, made by hand in small batches. They keep to their traditional recipes. So much so that actually when William started the company, he wrote everything down in a cookbook by hand.
Yeah.
And so the numbers on the jars correspond to the page in the cookbook now. The Tracklemints website has so many great recipes. You can actually just type it in and it's in there because there's lots of really cool ways to use it and it just elevates your meal. We have some celebrity chefs who actually really enjoy using our products as well. Jamie Oliver and Delia Smith, both from the UK. They've included it in recipes as well, Tracklemints specifically.
So this is gonna be the lamb burger. So we're gonna use 2 pitas. I'm gonna dress it up like a Greek salad, but the dressing, we used your Vince's very own tzatziki sauce.
Yes.
And then we just topped it off with a little bit of the Tracklemints recipe number 44. Garnish it with a little lettuce, chopped onion, a little bit of feta. This is gonna be sloppy to eat, but what the heck, what
That's
burger
okay.
is it?
The mint is nice.
Very good. It's like eating Edo.
Yeah. Oh, you're 1 for 1. That's good.
So for our next burger, this is gonna be a beef burger. It's kind of like an Old English meal. We're gonna do a horseradish sauce with it. We harvest the root year round, so it's super fresh and it's very strong horseradish. So what I've done, so that we're not overpowering the burger, is made kind of a sauce. So it has sour cream, bit of lemon zest, and chives. So we're gonna put that on the burger. And then this is our caramelized onion marmalade. It's the UK's first onion marmalade. And they slow cook it for about 3 to 4 hours to really get all the moisture out. So it's a really thick sauce. And then crispy onion. This is on an onion bun to keep that real onion flavor going. And some lettuce, and that's your burger. It's gonna remind you of an English dinner. An English roast beef dinner is the intention. Back to the beef, you're happy again.
It's very good.
So with this cheese bun, we are going to do a veggie burger. This is a really delicious Indian mango chutney. Because it's a veggie burger, we're gonna do some lettuce, cilantro, avocado. We can do a couple of chopped tomatoes, but it's gonna get messier the more we add, as we know. And that's our burger number 3. Okay, let's give it a whirl.
I like the bean burger.
I like how the avocado mushes in with it all.
And the
And
chutney.
that
The chutney
mango
has nice
chutney.
flavor.
I like it. I think
Good.
this is my favorite one so far.
So our next one, very outside the box, but really fun. So we'll start with Vince's own peanut butter. I like to be generous with it because it kind of gives a nice creaminess to the whole mix and pulls it all together. I mean, if you're gonna put peanut butter on, you gotta
might
go
as well.
all in.
Go all in.
This is the fresh chili jam. I love this product. Once you have it in your house and start adding it to things, it suddenly like goes in every dish. It's just a really nice mix of heat and sweet. So it doesn't overpower a dish. Bacon for a bit of saltiness, arugula and cheddar.
Okay, here we go. Peanut butter on a burger. Never done this before. You were right. I like the peanut butter.
Okay, yay.
That was good. Tell me if anyone's ever eaten a lettuce bun where it doesn't end up down your arms, but that's part of the good part. Turkey inside the red pepper, you've got a beautiful charred pepper holding the meat together. I'm gonna garnish with arugula, the caramelized onion. Not everybody likes blue cheese, so I'm gonna do one with feta.
Okay.
I'm gonna do one with blue cheese.
I actually love blue cheese.
I love blue cheese too. And the final. It ain't gonna be pretty, but it's gonna be good.
No, that's fine.
I think this is my new favorite.
You're awesome people to do business with. We really love your stores.
We love having you.
Thank you.
Come back again.